The AHSNs, as many people will know, have been set up specifically to address the fault lines of linking the NHS, academia and industry together, and we have a fantastic wealth of knowledge, expertise and skills to be able to do that.
What we're really doing is talking to each other about what we can do to help you individually, helping you understand the local, but then we bring it up to a national conversation as well to see how we can support you.
Is this commercially viable, or are you going to find out in 2 years there aren't enough customers? That's what the commercial teams across AHSNs are looking for.
All partners will benefit from this approach. It's on a win-win. We aim for the art of the possible. What could we do, and explore what if.
Today's been really useful, I think, for all of the test beds to get into the room to understand some of the challenges, but then also some of the solutions for the adoption and spread of innovation.
It was interesting to hear that everybody had the same challenges that we experienced when we ran the test bed as well. And it was good to hear how there was a lot of focus on sustainability and commercialisation at such an early stage for the test bed Wave 2.
What I found quite valuable is the phase 1 and where they're at this point, particularly around that kind of commercialisation phase.
Working alongside and partnership and collaboration with the AHSN is important for us because we get expertise on commercialisation, spread and adoption.
The key to the success of our test bed was relationships. How we learn to trust each other, how we learn to work together, how we learn to problem solve together. One bit of advice I would give you is never give up.
The tip that I would give innovators is understand your value proposition. If you understand how your technology will have impact and provide benefit, then that's always going to have a better outcome. People often come and say they've found a gap in the market, and what we would ask them is there a market in the gap?
Think about how you integrate your innovation or your technology into the organisation or the service. Take a time to step back and actually think about how you can integrate it as opposed to just pushing it on top and adding complexity.
40% of you think the organisations implementing the technology are most complex, which doesn't come as a surprise.
It's great that we're having these days and people can share, but maybe we can systematise some of that. I think that's a great idea, Tim, and actually have a sort of decision flow for others coming after us, or even sharing today, so that if you hit a problem, there is some sense of, okay, well, I should try this, or maybe I should try that, because we don't want to reinvent the wheel, and we are building up really valuable knowledge and expertise.